Hi everyone, God bless us all. Si Kuya Nico na sad ni. Guys, mag-share lang gamay nga thought, idea, teachings about the Catholic faith. Si Kuya Nico for this wonderful day that we have. Unsa may gusto na ako i-ponder, i-share today would be the most abused word in a religious vocabulary is the word faith or pagtuo, no? Faith nato diya sa Ginoo o sa mga butang nga iyang gibuhat. As we all know, according to the Catholic tradition, that faith is not infra-rational. Rather, faith is supra-rational. So, meaning nga na infra means dili ang atong pagtuo below reason or below pagsabot. Rather, it is above and beyond human understanding. It's not against human understanding or human comprehension, but it is going beyond the human understanding or human comprehension. Okay? Saint Thomas Aquinas, who else? Saint Augustine, the great saints, doctors, philosophers, and theologians of the Catholic Church would always say that a authentic faith is not an enemy of human reason, human understanding, or human comprehension. No? I think this is a very wonderful, beautiful teaching of our Catholic tradition that there is no sacrifice of the intellect or the mind needed for us to believe in the Lord, which is incarnated in the very person of our Lord Jesus Christ. So I think that's very beautiful nga dili kontra, dili against ang pagtuo sa human comprehension or understanding. Rather, it is beyond or it perfects our human understanding or comprehension. So dagan pa ta mga reflection in coming days. I hope nga mag-subscribe mo, mag-follow ta all the more for us to know, love, and serve the Lord, our Lord Jesus Christ, His church, His people, and our family. As we all know, a family that prays together stays together. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.